cannot explain the many million thoughts of her hanging round my brain, hanging round. I missed her when she stayed at home, had many million thoughts of us roaming round my brain, roaming round my brain. And then there was Liza, sitting closer every time she came, straight from work, wearing what she'd made for my serenade. That Liza, always sketching on that pad alone, mind at peace, no matter what I play for her serenade. We kissed and I came undone with many million dreams of us running round my brain, running round my brain. And then there was Liza, staying later than she ever had, close enough I could feel her glance at my dancing hands. And that Liza, always giving me undying strength through ebbs and flows, 'cause Liza always stayed for my serenade. She asked to a midnight rain if she could sing a single song and hang around my brain. She sang around my brain. Oh, she sang away my favorite oldie, a hit from 1939, when I first got her name. And she stopped the rain.
Someplace where everything's as free